Hi, in this video I will show you how to activate the follow button on Facebook personal profile. To do that, head over to your profile on your Facebook. Then from in there, click onto these three dots and click onto this view as. As you can see, we already have the follow profile. Now in order to do that or to have something like this, what you can do is you can head over right here again to your three dots and then from in there, make sure that you're currently on the professional mode. If you do not have the professional mode, like for example, if you do not have it, or if you have it turned off, you will actually have it disappear. So for example, right here, you can refresh your page and you can click on the view as in here again. And in here, as you can see, you can just refresh it and you should be able to doesn't have that follow button. What you can do, you can click on the three dots, then click on this turn on professional mode, click on turn on, and you should be able to have that follow button. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helps you out.